Now we will talk about the actuators. That is the second part. Second part means like what we have discussed till now in that IoT hardware. We were discussing sensors and actuators. We were discussing sensors. We have covered actuators. I am going to discuss now. So when we talk about actuators, actuators are basically devices that convert energy into motion. Okay. In the mechanical energy, actuators are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy to control physical systems. So actuators are devices that convert energy into motion. They are basically the essential component in various systems providing the means to control the mechanism or system, you can say. They receive commands from a controller and perform actions accordingly. Okay. And actuators can be powered by various energy sources also, including the electrical circuit or the like pneumatic pressure also. Okay. So when we talk about the actuators, different types are there. First one is the motor. Okay, motors are there. You can see one DC motor, construction parts like DC motor image I have put here. So simply it converts electrical energy into the rotational motion, and it is used in robotics, drones, and automated systems. So when we talk about a DC motor, like there are many types of it also, and the key components in the DC motor are stator, rotator, commutator for brushed DC motor, and winding also. And the applications could be like, you can say, household appliances. So motors are found in devices like washing machine, refrigerator, vacuum cleaner, where they drive various mechanical components. And automotive industry is also like used in electric vehicles, power windows, windshield wipers, and other systems. In the industrial automation, motors drive like pumps, machinery. Okay. In the robotics, it provide motion control for robotic arms, drones, and other automated system. In the HVAC, used in compressors and pump to regulate heating, ventilations, and air conditioning. So there are so many implementations and advancement of it. So now the next component is in the actuators, simply the relays. So you can see one image. This is not a very good image, but I will show some better images also related to that as we will be moving further. So according to the requirement, but it will be giving you the idea. So when we talk about relay are electrical devices used to control a circuit by opening or closing content, like you can say, contacts in another circuit. Okay, electrically controlled switches, and that can handle high power loads. So they operate as switch that can be controlled remotely, you can say, and they are used in the home automation, industrial control system, and automotive applications. Okay, so the applications can be in the automotive, as I said, used in the cars for switching various systems like headlights and fuel pump. In industrial automation, control machinery and equipment remotely. And in the home appliances, in devices such as washing machine or ovens to manage different functions. Okay, so simply the advantages are like isolation and control of high power. When we talk about isolation, so it provides electrical isolation between the control and the load circuits. And when we talk about the high power control, so it can switch high power circuits with low power control signals. Okay, so they are relays, solenoids. So simply when we talk about solenoids, it produce linear motion through electromagnetic coil. Okay, so solenoid are mechanical devices, and here you can see one image about it. So simply electromechanical devices that convert electrical energy into the linear motion, and they are often used to control mechanical systems by generating magnetic field through coil. Okay, so there are multiple types like electromagnetic, you can say, solenoids are there. And when we talk about the applications, so in the automotive, industrial, and consumer electronic, it is used in the vehicle like locking machine mechanism and starter system also. And in the industrial, you can say, controls, valves, gates, and other mechanical parts in machinery. And when we talk about consumer electronics, so it is found in device like printer and doorbell for mechanical actuators. Okay. Advantages are simply the precise control. So it provides accurate and controlled linear motion and fast response it gives. So offer quick and like you can say auction compared to the mechanical linkages. Okay, when we talk about mechanical linkages, the electromagnetic coils are faster, you can say. It gives the fast response. And simply the solenoids are essential in many systems where precise and reliable mechanical movement is required.